Alright, and welcome to my shed. As you see today, I've got a big object. No, not massive. This is a Ferrex 20 volt Nylon grass strimmer. It's a cordless grass strimmer. I got it from Aldi's. It was $24.99. Save it, have a look now. It comes without a battery, but I bought a battery as well. I bought the 20 volt, 40 volt option one, which was as much as the strimmer, $24.99. You could get the 20 volt, which would work on this one as well, for $14.99. But I thought I got other tools I can use this with as well, so I thought I might as well use it on that one. So I got myself a new one. I got this, and on the box it says massive. It is, the model number is a GDRT26 without battery and charger. Dual nylon blades, cutting system, cutting width 260 millimeters approximately, adjustable telescopic handle from 960 millimeters to 1200. That's not bad, is it? 4-position cutting angle adjustment, and a motor head rotatable up to 180 degrees max. I think that's all it says. The same stuff everywhere. Gives you a bit of pictures. I don't know if you can see them on there or on that. I'm not sure if you can. Forgot to check where that camera's looking at, to be honest with you. Hope it's in the right place. It comes in a big box. It's not that heavy. So what I'll do, I'll put it here and I'll get the box open from here and then we'll pull it out. How's it open? Oh, don't tell me it's one of these that goes all the way. Oops. Yes, it is. It had to be, didn't it? So while you watch me struggle with a box, if I put that, oh, can I put that back there? This, crikey. I got this on one of the specials you get in Aldi's. And I wasn't going to bother, but as I was in there, and this was in there, I thought, you know what, why not? There is times where you just run out of lead, and you got a little foot square or something. Depends how big your garden is. You got the instructions for the grass trimmer. It comes in 2 parts. There's one handle. There's the blade barrier thing with the health protector. I don't know what that is. And here is the actual gubbins. Stick that there. I'm locking myself in the shed, and there you go. That is it. It's got an extendable here, I would imagine. Oh, there we are. So it goes quite a bit, doesn't it? See that? And it goes on. So that's not bad. Got a bit of a, just tighten it up like that. And for this one, I'm just gonna leave it as short as I can possibly put it. You've got the battery end. The battery will go in there. This battery will go in there. You see that? It's got a decent handle on it. Is this? I think that's a bit like a dead man switch kind of thing. If you let go, it goes off. Kind of a bit of protection. You've got to push it in for it to switch it on. That's all you got on this side. You've got a part here where this will probably go on. So should we put it on now? Oh, what? Let's have a look what the instructions say. Ferrex Grass Strimmer. So if you can see all this, can you see the warranty? Blah 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 blah. You can see the warranty on it. And then you got the grass strimmer. Gives instructions, warnings. Does it tell you how to put it together? Gives you a little diagram of what things are, a little legend there so you can look at it yourself. It says number 8, the switch lock, number 9, the handle, number 10, the on-off switch, 18, push one side of the bracket 6 into the retainer on the motor housing, slightly pull the bracket apart and insert the other into the second retainer. So this squeezes in. Shall we do that now while we're here? So leave that there for a minute. So if I undo these 2 Phillips screws, quite big. Put on there. And this one there. We've got a sunny day today. So if I've got enough time, I might give you a demo of this. So this will go, let's have a look. It'll go on there. And it'll go like so. Perfect. And then get the screw. Put the screw in there. I think this is the only bit really that needs a bit of a screw. Tighten it up. Do the other one. Shall I do it on there so I can show you what it's doing? So if you see that screw goes into there like so. Once it's seated in, and then you just tighten it up. This is a guard for any bits or foreign objects that want to come flying out at 1,000,000 miles an hour. Kind of protect you, and it'll send it whatever the foreign object around and out to the front rather than into you. So the length of the cutting wire, that'll keep it so that's as far as you go, so it won't cut no more than that. So if you're coming close to flowers, you can get to that edge of that and know you're not going to cut the flowers. Let's put this, I don't know if I've got room for it. Typical me, yeah. Let's have a look. Let's have a look, shall we? Microphone was well out of the way there, so I've no idea what I'm going to sound like. Let's undo this. So, oh, come on. Right, so that'll come off. And then this, I would imagine it'll just sit. You want it on that side, so just squeezing both sides, adjust it to roughly where you want it. It doesn't matter if you can adjust this again anyway. So that'll go back onto that through the actual thing, and you'll tighten that up. If I can keep it in one place without sending it to the 5th dimension. So there we are. And all you want to do then, if you want to adjust your grip, is move it back and forth and then tighten it up to where you're happy with it. And that's it. That's that part there. So that's like that. Put that back there. Onto there. So in this box, this mysterious box, will have the cutting blades, won't it? I'm probably assuming that they just slot over. I've usually got one with like a loom of nylon thing on it. So you get loads. Oh, you do? You get loads and loads of these nylon cutting things. Are they different sizes or? Let's have a look. Oh shit. No, they're the same. So you're getting a good chunk. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. You get 22 individual blades, plastic blades. I've had plastic blades on Black & Decker lawnmower before now. They're all well and good until they hit a stone or something, then they just smash to bits. And trying to find the ones for it is quite expensive. So anyway, all you do with these is put it in like you would, a bit like you would on a screw hook on the wall. Put it in the fat end, and then just fat end on the side, and then push it in, and then twist it. Same with this one. Put it in the fat end on its side, then twist it, and that's it. And then the centrifugal force will keep them outwards and just obliterate whatever else is in there. The battery, which I'll show you anyway, the battery I've got for this, I'm not sure if I'm going to plug it inside the shed because it's a confined space, and if one of them flies out and hits me on the neck, I'm a dead man. So I'll probably turn it on outside for you to have a look. I did have a neck brace camera thing for there. And the last time I used it, I did something in the car. Forgot what it was. I think it was the center console armrest. I don't know where I put it. So this is a 20 volt stroke 40 volt battery system. So what I'll do with this fits on here like so. Yeah, that'll fit there like that, and it goes onto there, and this goes on, fits in. Oh, slots in nice. Once that's slotted in, it's okay. I'm not going to turn it on in the shed. I'm not going to be that stupid. So shall we go outside and I'll give you a little demonstration. The thing is, it's probably windy, so the audio will change from this to probably getting a bit of background noise, and I'll be doing it with one hand because I can't find my neck brace anywhere. So if you're leaving, take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm 15 subs away from 500. I'm 15 hours away from, 500 hours as well. So if you can, you're not interested, just let it run. Click on my playlist and let them run and go and do your stuff. Otherwise, like, subscribe, stay till the end of the video to watch the demo. Otherwise, take care. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Alright, well, welcome to my shed. Tap the box, peel the seal. What's inside could be a steal. Bits and bobs, cool little things. Unboxing a little bit of everything with Vinnie Mars. With Vinnie Mars. With Vinnie Mars. A little of everything.
Peel the seal, what's inside could be a steal. Bits and bobs, cool little things. Unboxing a little bit of everything with Vinnie Mars. Bits and bobs, cool little things. Unboxing a little bit of everything with Vinnie Mars.
I'm probably making it look clumsy because I'm trying to do this with one hand and hold the camera at the same time. Whoa. This battery, believe it or not, is fully charged, so I don't know why it's struggling.
Things, unboxing a little bit of everything with Vinnie Mars. Snap the clip, tear the tape, every package a new escape. Tools and toys, big and small, Vinnie Mars unboxes it all with Vinnie the thrill. Watch the show. What's inside? Let's all know. Many Mars makes every day an unboxing moment to replay with Penny Mars. Tap the box, peel the seal. What's inside could be a steal. Bits and bobs, cool little things. Unbox a little bit of everything within a Mars.
It doesn't like any kind of resistance at all whatsoever. It pulls to a grind. It grinds to a stop straight away. See what I mean? It's not that. This is not quite. It's not tall grass at all. Not thick grass, but it doesn't like it. This is, you know, just short grass, and it's struggling. That's why I turned this back on, because it's struggling. I don't know if I can show you in here, but look at that. Take it back. I'll give it to someone I don't like. I'll have to wait and see. Bear in mind, this is a fully charged brand new battery, so it shouldn't be struggling like this. Terrible. You know what? Unless you've got a bowling green as a lawn, don't bother with this one. It's a 1-star from me, and that only 1-star is for probably portability. Okay, till the next time. Take care. Bye.